Welcome to my word shop and quick takes with Kate on all things writing in under 2 minutes. Today we look at word use, the words home and home. You might remember that in the movie E.T., a sad-eyed alien points a finger to the sky and tells the children who found him, E.T., home, phone. The children quickly realize that he means E.T., phone, home. With all the garbled phrases we hear, we might think that extraterrestrials still roam the earth. One such difficult phrase is hone in for home in. The correct phrase home in means to move toward. In the 1800s, the phrase referred to homing pigeons, trained to return home, as E.T. wants to. In the 1900s, the phrase came to refer to aircraft and missiles. Somewhere along the way, people started to use the verb hone, which means sharpen, for the verb home. But have you ever heard of a honing pigeon? That bird would have a very sharp beak. The confusion is so widespread that even top writers occasionally mistake the two. The New York Times did not catch the error in this sentence, but see if you can. While Mr. Bradley honed in on health care. So many people make this mistake that a New Yorker editor suggested that hone in ought to just be accepted. After all, if we do something wrong long enough, it becomes right? No, let's try to hone our skills. Here's a quick test for choosing the correct phrase. If you would say zero in, you want home. If you mean sharpen, you want hone with no in. Pause the video to give these sentences a try. To see how you did and for the rest of the story, go to Touryan.com/QuickTakes. I hope today's quick take helped you hone your writing skills. Check back next Tuesday for another quick take with Kate.